Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about a game called Yandere AI Girlfriend Simulator, and I'm going to show you guys that how you can download and play the game on the mobiles. As you can see, I already got it on my iPhone, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial that how you can download the game on the mobiles. It works for the both devices guys, iOS and Android. So steps are quite simple and easy. Just make sure you're gonna follow this tutorial until the end and make sure you're gonna follow the steps I'm going to demonstrate to you. You're gonna be able to get the game. Okay, so practically I already downloaded the game in both the devices, in my iPhone and my Samsung. So I'm going to show you the steps today with my iPhone, but practically the same steps are working also for the Android devices guys. If you want me to make a tutorial for the Android, just let me know in the comments below guys. I'm gonna make a tutorial with my Samsung for the Android users, but practically the steps are the same, so I don't think you're gonna face any problem with it. Okay, so let's go immediately. I'm just going to open real quick so you can see by yourself that it's working, and then I'm going to show you that how you can get it also, you guys. So as you can see, the game is right over here, and now I'm going immediately to show you that what you have to do. Okay, so I'm not going to make a gameplay so I don't make the video too long. So all you have to do is just need to make some changes really quick in the settings if you didn't do it before, or if you did, you just make sure you check it in order to download the process to be correct. So all you have to do, you go to the settings, you need to scroll it till to the general, and then scroll it down to the background up refresh. Make sure you're going to select Wi-Fi and mobile data guys. This is going to help the downloading process, doesn't interrupt, and to download faster and smoother. Okay, so after you complete this checking over here, you have to get back to the settings again, and if you are using lower power mode guys, make sure you're going to switch it off before you start the loading process. After you download the game, you can make active again lower power mode if you like to have it. Okay, so these steps that I show you right now, they are only for the iOS users guys. Okay, for the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings or something. You just need to go straight to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer. Me, I'm going to use Safari right now because of the iPhone, and you just need to type this website, which I'm going to type for you in fact, and I'm going to focus immediately. So this is the name of the website where you have to go. You just need to enter on it, and you have these different categories over here. You can just choose by checking the games and scroll to find it out, or you can just type over here Yandere, and here it comes. You just press the blue sign on the side. You have the whole information right over here guys. As you can see, the last update was in 4.4.23. so all you have to do, you just need to press the download button over here. It will start the loading process. As you can see right over here, in the end of this process, you're going to be able to download the game, so it's going to pop up on your mobile. In some countries or some regions practically, it might require an extra step guys, so you just need to follow the extra step and you're going to be able to get the game same as I did it. Okay, so this is my video tour for today guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next game guys. Cheers.